Hi, I'm John. I'm the solo dev behind Rise of Piracy. Rise of Piracy is a action RTS exploration-based game, kind of like Mount and Blade, but with pirate ships. I stream game development here daily at 8 p.m. Irish Standard Time. I use C# and Unity 3D mainly. On Monday to Friday, we do Rise of Piracy development. On Side Project Saturday, then we take it a wee bit easier. We answer a lot of questions, and it's mainly just about experimenting with the software and doing smaller projects here and there. Plenty of other stuff going on the stream as well. You can do plenty of redeems, sound alerts. There's games that we've developed here as well with Twitch integration that you can play on the stream, and a bot that's quite fun to mess with. So, thanks for watching, and feel free to pop by anytime, join the crew, and I look forward to meeting you.